itinerary today is likely to be shopping, and then cafe and dinner. I'm currently in SeongSu, which is a part of Gangnam Rodeo, and I'm meeting up with a friend. We're gonna do some shopping. She's a local. Hopefully we can go to like the fun gems of Seoul that the Koreans know. It's so cute. Yeah. Daiso? Oh, okay. Today is hot. What flavor did you get?
Custom base.
Ah.
환승입니다.
Currently on this like little shuttle bus. Don't know why it's small, but I'm heading over to SeongSu from Pujong. There's like an exhibit that's going on right now, so let me check that out. I am walking over to the exhibit, and it has really cooled down in the city because the sun is setting, but now I don't know, I can like fully appreciate the little neighborhoods in SeongSu because it's not as hot and it's so cute. It just feels like I'm in the nooks of Seoul because this is really a residential area. Good morning! We are going to start off the day doing my morning routine. I got these new toner pads, the Mediheal Pore Pad in mild because I have sensitive skin. And then I'm just gonna put it on my nose because that is where all my pores are. My hydrating serum. Next, I'm using the Torriden Soothing Cream. This is the #1 moisturizer in Korea, and I understand why because it's like gel-like texture and it's perfect in the summer. Right now, I'm using the Hera sunscreen. What's fun about today is that my friend and I are going on a mini date. What we're gonna do today is go make glass. We're gonna make like prints onto the glass cups. Like it's kind of difficult to explain, but I will show you. And it's like really wholesome, and we're gonna do some cafe hopping, and then we're gonna eat my favorite restaurant in Korea, which is like the marinated crabs. But I think that their lifestyle is so good.
I'm not even joking about you. Like, I thought about this like at least once a week.
No, I was thinking about having like 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. And then have like the flowers around it. And then like bowl down.
Yes. Have one like super whole.
Okay. She's so cute.
This is mine. Very simple. Super cute. All hearts.
Why the red?
Just because. Nails.
Oh, oh. Oh yeah. This is mine. Mine's with you.
So cute.
Oh my god, ours is so cheers.
They're green teas. And the teacher. Not like cute stuff, but a lot of fruit, a lot of. Is it too hot? It might be too hot.
Oh, mine smells fruity.
지금 포토카드는 다 소진되었고요.
There's a cute pop-up right now in SeongSu, and apparently we can like create our own suitcases, like travel bags. So that's what we're gonna do now. Oh,
Sorry. So fun.
yeah, it's so fun. I love being a girl. Oh my god, it's so cute. I'm currently in Noryangjin, which is like really known to be an area where a lot of students hang out. So a lot of food and things are catered to students. So like a lot of fast eats. So I'm gonna go get some lunch and then we can go shop.
Number 1 sunscreen for you.
Yogurt smoothie. Taste test. Let's go. Oh shoot. What is this? Is this like modern sushi?
Yeah, salmon. Spicy salmon.
I'm here taking photos of you guys taking photos.